HeyKayBae, it's your girl Kay. Welcome back to another vlog. So today, guys, happy Vlogmas Day 19. I look crazy. I just got up. It's currently like 12 o'clock. So today I'm gonna be doing like a day in the life as a pregnant woman, pregnant lady, pregnant mommy, or whatever. I really don't have much planned for today. Just cleaning, and we got some packages coming today. Cooking, mommy stuff, you know. But right now I'm cooking, so I'm about to eat some cereal because I really don't want anything else but cereal. And I'm about to cook my boyfriend like some waffles and like some chicken tenders or something quick and easy. I don't have to put too much stress on because I'm cooking tonight. I want to go walking today, y'all, because baby girl, she gotta come out. Like, she gotta go. Like, but it's supposed to rain today and it's really gloomy outside, so I don't know what we're gonna do. But I just got down in the kitchen. Normally the first thing I do when I come in the kitchen, I've been to wash dishes the previous night, and I put them in the what is this thing? Dishwasher. So I take them out the dishwasher and just put them in a dish rack to let them dry. And take the old dishes that's in the dish rack and put them in the cabinets. And whatever else is in the sink that we use, like after I wash dishes, I'll just wash them up. If it's a lot, I'll put them in the dishwasher. While I wash them up, put them in the dishwasher. If it's not a lot, I just hand wash them and just put them in the dish rack. So that's what I just did. And I'm about to start cooking. And yeah. I don't know why every time I clean up my freaking counters, like, they get back dirty. Like, what the fuck? But yeah. So let me go ahead and put these chicken tenders in this fryer and start with my cereal because I'm hungry. Okay, y'all, so do anybody else put ice in their cereal, like in their milk, to make their milk cold, or is it just me? I've been doing this for years, y'all. It's not just a pregnancy thing. I usually used to put my milk in the freezer and let it freeze, but I feel like this is more faster, so I just put ice in it and then pour my milk, let my milk sit just a little bit, and then go in on Cinnamon Toast Crunch or nothing, period. So I'm about to go ahead and put these waffles in the oven. We got a regular waffle, 2 regular waffles, and 2 blueberry waffles. So okay, y'all, so I got my cereal and I'm about to go sit on the couch, eat, and wait on his food to finish. Okay, y'all, so I finished eating my cereal and I finished cooking, but my boyfriend wouldn't let me record his food because he was hungry. So I was just sitting here on the couch talking to my mom on the phone. I was gonna go walking today, but it's literally about to rain 100% in the next hour, so I'm probably just gonna go upstairs, bounce on my ball for about an hour, and just chill. I guess this is the day in the life of this pregnant lady. I don't do much on most days, honestly, because it's like literally nothing to do, and I can't go like far, and I don't know anybody here because I'm not from here. And then when I go out, I always like, what's this? Like every time I go out, I always end up buying stuff, and I'm trying not to spend money. So that's that. So like I said, we supposed to get some packages today, so I'm gonna just keep checking Amazon to see if they deliver, and then I go out and go pick them up from the mailbox or whatever. So I look a mess. I can't believe I'm on here like this. Now look at this Christmas tree. This how you know I'm ready for her to come. Pat, I'm ready about to go. Yeah, I got one gift under the Christmas tree, and it's for myself. I don't know if y'all can see it right there. One gift, and it's for me. But yeah, I'm probably gonna, cause the house is pretty much clean, honestly. Nothing for me to clean but our room. So yeah, y'all, I'll come back with something that's interesting. Okay, y'all, I usually wash clothes on Sundays. Today is Saturday, but since I have nothing else to do, I was just like, why not? Might as well get a head start, because tomorrow I'm doing like a really deep cleaning of my whole apartment, because we having guests this week for Christmas. So yeah. So I want to show y'all my orders for this week. Y'all, we did so good this week, and I'm so proud of myself. Like we did amazing. But yeah, y'all, we did so good this week as far as like orders. Like y'all went crazy yesterday, for real. I had like a Pink Friday sale, so if you missed out, sis, you missed out, okay? But I'm in my closet right now, in my baby girl closet. So me and my boyfriend, we're about to get ready to go to Best Buy. We're kind of trying to get into purchasing a laptop, a MacBook, and a camera, so we can start putting out better content for you guys. Excuse my boyfriend, yeah, he talking to himself in the shower. That's what he does. So I'm about to put some clothes on, and then we gonna head out or whatever. But yeah, like I was saying, anyways, cause he loud as fuck. Thank y'all for everyone who shot with me this week. Y'all did amazing. I'm so grateful. I'm so blessed, so thankful for you guys. So make sure you guys are shopping with me. My link is down in the description. Make sure y'all go shop. You know what I'm saying? Go cop y'all some bump lip gloss, period. And y'all, we just added sugar scrub, lip scrub to our website, so make sure you guys go shop, period. For real, keep me out your head. Oh, for real, keep me out your head. Oh, keep me out your head. Keep me out your head. Oh, for real, keep me anyway, so we just got back home and we got some packages from Amazon. We got being greedy. About to tell some up.
Know me.
But this, I think this our comforter set and sheets and baby girl stuff. So we can open it together.
Part baby girl.
You wanna wash it before we put on it?
So that's how it hooks right here.
It's a sheet too.
What's that?
These are things that go to her pacifiers. Like, you know, the little clip thing, you just put them on the shirt.
And
New comforter.
Italian luxury. Blue. Match the curtain.
We got some satin gray sheets. And we got baby girl bunny. Let's see how it looks.
Baby head. Not
Oh, so cute. This is so cute, bro. Okay, it will fit in it. It's like drawstring.
Okay.
You're probably just gonna be hanging it back a little bit, but you know, it's gonna fit. That's so love. I gotta FaceTime my mama. Y'all, these so cute.
Put that on.
And these are little clip things that go to our pacifiers. Oh shoot. Okay, y'all, so your girl is so excited. Your girl got her a new camera. That's the only thing I wanted for Christmas, y'all, and I'm so glad I got it. Period. Videos about to be lit. But I'm finna start cooking. I'm about to cook some chicken, nothing major. Some fried chicken, mashed potatoes, probably like some croissants or something. And I'm not sure if I want to go ahead and put the new comforter on the bed today or tomorrow. Give me something to do tomorrow, even though I'm cleaning and stuff tomorrow. So I might just wait and do that tomorrow. Just go ahead and wash it before we put it on the bed. And I'm finna cook and figure out this camera. So excited, y'all. This probably gonna be the end of this vlog for today. I'll probably just show y'all the end result of the food and whatever, because I'm not gonna do much. But yeah, did y'all see my baby bunny? Like, cover the bunny is so cute. I love it. I'm so ready for it to go. Bring your butt, girl, so we can put you in this car seat. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.